Okay guys, we got a gorgeous van here. It's a wheelchair accessible with 50,000 miles. All power door and power ramp. It's got the controls right here on the side. It's got right here, and you also have a control remote that you can operate the ramp and the door. Okay, again, it's 53,000 miles. I'm gonna show you the odometer right there. It's got rear AC, all the controls here. Leather is very nice. I mean, normal wear, rarely used. Right there, it's gonna be an Enter van. It's got good tires all the way, like new, as you can see right there. Okay, we're gonna check the trunk side. Okay guys, let's look at the interior. We got power mirrors, power locks. Got them all right here. 53. You got the cruise control right here. You can actually put two wheelchairs, one here as a front passenger, and then one in the rear. You got all the holes for the straps. Okay guys, we're going to show you the engine. 3.8, real quiet.